I've been in the electrical industry going up 15 years now, and I think in my time, Fluke has always been the standard in meters. You need the equipment to work. If you want to be safe in this job, in this industry, solar or otherwise, you need the equipment to work. And I've never had an issue with Fluke equipment.
I've used a lot of different brands, and Fluke, not only do they stand up to the wear and tear of being out in the field, dropping them, and all the stuff that happens when you're out working, but also the accuracy. If you compare like the voltages from a Fluke meter to another meter, that they always seem to be more accurate. And then also the amount of time it takes to get the reading. When you're going through and you're troubleshooting, you don't want to have to wait 5 seconds for each reading that you're taking. And typically a Fluke meter will give you the reading almost instantaneously. So they just make the job so much more efficient, and they're robust devices and stand up to the wear and tear of being out in the field every single day, getting beat up and used.
And then with their proving unit, they make it so you have the peace of mind knowing that their equipment works. And I never have a doubt when I pull any of my Fluke equipment out of the bag and use it in the field. I know it's going to work and function as it should. I believe Fluke tools are the standard in meters and test equipment. And for a field technician in solar or in any side of the electrical industry, safety is paramount. And to be safe, you need to know that your meter is working and working as it should. I have 2 different Fluke meters. I have my Fluke proving unit that I use almost every single day on the job. You start with a screwdriver and a drill and a Fluke proving unit. Almost anything's going to involve opening up a combiner box or something to that effect. And of course my arc flash gloves. Different meters definitely I think are good for a different task. That's why we carry a selection of meters. Some meters are better suited to a task, and we always try to use the best tool for the task at hand. Finding meters rated for this work, especially solar, everything has developed so quickly that it's been hard to keep up. And yeah, there are very few options for a safe 1500 volt meter. It's hard to find 1500 volt rated leads, and Fluke is one of the few companies that we've found that offer equipment in that range.